Hello students, welcome to the CS classroom. Today we are going to discuss about the topic predicate logic. So predicate logic is extended form of propositional logic. By dealing with the internal structure of propositions, it allows for expressing statements involving quantifier, variable and predicate. So basically it is an extended form of propositional logic where we are going to use quantifiers, variables and predicates. Now let's discuss each component one by one. So what is predicate? Predicate is a function that returns true or false. For example, is even, it will return. If it is even, it will return true. Otherwise, it returns false. Then we have variables, symbols like x, y, z that represents objects. Then the main component which are quantifiers. There are two types of quantifiers: universal quantifiers and existential quantifiers. Universal means for all, and existential there exists a one. Now let's discuss some examples to which you get better clarity. So first of all, we have a statement: all birds can fly. Now we have to depict this statement in a predicate logic. So we use for every x, if x is a bird, then x can fly. This is how we depict predicate logic. As another example of some dogs are friendly. Here, there exists at least one dog that x is friendly. There exists at least one x such that x is a dog and x is friendly. Moving on to next example, every prime number is greater than 1. We have to depict it in predicate logic. Then every for every we depicted it like this: for all x, if x is a prime number, then x is greater than 1. So this is how we can depict predicate logic.